In front of me is my phone N23, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off auto rotation. Begin by going into Tab menu and looking for Auto Rotate shortcut. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is over here, so when I click, it turned black, which means that auto rotation is off. To turn it back on, click on the same shortcut again. If you want to, you can also go into Settings, tap on Display, scroll down and use this switcher next to Auto Rotate Screen feature to switch it off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!